my channel. It's Cerise here, and today's video I have a ZEELOOL video for you guys. Now this is glasses. So there's a few pairs of glasses in here. I did select 2, and I think they put a bunch more in here. So let's see what we got in here. So I was looking at the glasses of these online, and they're actually really cute. There's like a few cute ones and stuff. And I'm excited because Mama always needs a new pair of sunglasses. Always. Alrighty. So we have here. Okay, we got some paper here. So this is saying about which glasses do what. There must be a good few pairs in here. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so I've got a whole bunch of glass cleaning cloths, which always come in handy with glasses. It's always good to keep them nice and clean as well. So here we have, make sure you guys follow the link in the description as well as to which ones you want to buy. But here are the first set of glasses. These are cute. Oh my gosh, look, hang on. Ah, satisfying. Okay, so the first pair of glasses here. These are actually adorable. Look at these. Look at these. Like if I was to wear glasses, these would be the glasses that I would wear. These are so cute. So these must be the non-prescription. I don't know if these is the blue light glasses. They might be. I'm not sure because the only thing is they don't say what each thing is. I don't think. It seems like they're all blue light blocking ones. Yep, they're all blue light blocking. Oh, I can see the blue light with them now. Can you guys see there? Look at these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these. I actually like these because I feel like I look smart in them. They look cute. So there's some cute little blue light glasses there. Eee, these are adorable. Okay. Love them. Like, I'm gonna put them away. Put a little glasses cleaning cloth in there. It's a cute little set, honestly. Adorable. Alrighty, and the next pair, I honestly love unboxing glasses. This is like Christmas to me, honestly. It's so cute. Then we have, what do we have here? Look at the detailing on these. These are sunglasses, dude. No way. Look. These are so adorable. Stop. Deceased, dead, gone. Look. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. These, I love these. These are real cute. Oh my gosh, I don't want to like damage these. These are actually so pretty. You know when you get a pair of glasses and you just think that they're so gorgeous that you're like, I just don't want to like anything get wrong. But there's so many in here. So many. All right, we have another pair of blue light glasses. These ones are really cute. I'm loving this kind of cat eye kind of look and the blue tintedness, the blue light tortoiseshell. These are cute. Or maybe I'll wear these to drive in. Because these ones you can get, like, most of these glasses you can get in prescription. The sunglasses one you can get in prescription. I don't need prescription. But if I was going to have prescription, I'd have these ones. Like, these are so good. I feel like I'd wear these at work. And they look so cute. These are, like, my favorite so far. Oh, my God. I'm actually obsessed. These are freaking adorable. These are so cute. I want to wear these, oh, God, as an everyday kind of vibe. All right, then we have a pair here. So these must be another blue light. The frames of these, though, the delicate gold, stunning. Stunning. I'm ready for my day at the office. Like, look at these. Look at these. These are stunning. Stunning. Yes. I love these. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stunning. Amazing. I know that I'm not really having much more else words to say. I'm really impressed with these. And the quality of these, it's really good tier quality. Very good tier quality. Another set of blue lights. These ones. Oh my gosh. The sides here. Hang on. It's got a reflective sticker. So let's pull her off. Oh, look at these. These are like packaged so carefully as well with all of the little reflective sealing bits on everything to make sure everything's safe. Like just me unpeeling the glasses. Oh my God, these are so cute. Oh my God, I love. I love. These are so cute. Look at these. Oh! She's giving like a librarian fantasy. Look at these. Look at the side, the little diamantes there. These are adorable. I feel like I could wear these every day. Like at work, I feel like I could wear these. With the fluorescent lights, these are really cute. Oh, they're so good. Look at them. Look. I can't get over that. And the brown, like, oh my God, up my alley for glasses. Like, the only ones that I selected those green sunglasses, and that's, I think, the only one that I picked. I know I did pick another pair of sunglasses. I don't remember which ones. They were definitely a cat eye situation, so it could have even been these actually that I selected, which these are freaking adorable. Look, just the detailing of everything alone. Like, these are so well worth the money as well. Like, look at how crisp the like lens is and the way that it frames my face. Like, it just looks gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Honestly, blue light glasses, good, great, amazing, really good invention. Like, I just absolutely adore, love. All right, and then we have here is another pair of blue lights, like a grandma style. I love this. I love, amazing. Look at these. These are so cute. These are so cute. I love these. These ones, okay, before I said that I had some favorites, these are my favorites right now, because these little grandma ones, chef's kiss. Amazing. I love them. I think it's great. All right, we have one more pair, which is sunglasses. Interesting. These look very tiny. Oh my. These. Yes. 1000% these. This is me. This is my new identity. I love these. These are great. Why are they so small on my face? I freaking love these. Look at these. These are super adorable. Yeah. These are so cute. Oh my God, I love all these glasses. Are really freaking cute and adorable, and I love them. Here is, got a $7 coupon in here as well. Black Friday. ZEELOOL invites you to join the Black Friday event. Guys who buy ZEELOOL glasses can get an exclusive coupon. $20 off over $109. Go scan the QR code to get them. Very good. And then here I've got an eye ruler, so you can rule to see how spacious you need your glasses, I guess. Wow. Okay, well, thanks ZEELOOL for sending all these glasses to me. These are actually amazing. Frothing on these. These are so cute, but every other pair of glasses are just really nice as well. Like, just every other pair is just fantastic. Like, I'm loving this pair. I'm loving, also, there's this pair, remember? Amazing. Love. Love, love, love. Honestly, I love glasses though. Glasses are my fave. Okay, we've got a nice wee stacking going on here. Yeah. Okay. These are just to die for though. These are actually so cute. Okay. 2 more pairs. Okay. Nice. Sick. Oh, okay. Yeah. Hell yeah. Alrighty. Well, thanks ZEELOOL for sending all these glasses to me. I love all of these. These are so ridiculously cute. There's so many. Like, look. What was your favorite pair? Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite pair was. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!